Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to cook sweet and sour chicken. A very easy dish to prepare also. Yum yum! Here are the ingredients for the sweet and sour chicken. Chicken breast, around 750 grams. It really depends on how many visitors you're expecting. Pineapple, slice it, and carrots, and 3 different colors of red bell pepper to add more festive look, garlic, onion, and a little bit of ginger. And we need also vinegar, brown sugar. For the vinegar, you can use any brand, white cane, sugar cane, or apple vinegar. It doesn't matter. And salt and pepper to taste. I also use a little bit of bouillon, chicken bouillon, just to add some taste. And flour for the chicken later. Okay, then I will demonstrate to you how to slice the chicken breast. Okay, for the chicken breast, I cut it into half, like a butterfly. Then I'll just slice it like this, like an inch, or maybe smaller, whatever. And I also like to have like longer piece and shorter piece, like this. There's longer piece and there's also a shorter piece. So you just have to slice everything. So half. It's very easy. Okay. So what I do with my chicken sweet and sour, I like to fry it first, then saute it, then mix all the ingredients. I like to fry it because I like the crispy texture combined with the other vegetables, and actually it's really more delicious. Okay, I just added a little bit of salt and milk, and now I will add a little bit of pepper to taste, and garlic powder. And you just let it sit for like 10 minutes. So after a few minutes, you can add a little bit of flour, mix it together. Mix, mix, mix. The flour really depends on how much meat you have. In the recipe, I'll just put like a guide that you can see under this video. So this is looking perfect, and it's ready to be fried. So you prepare your pan with your oil. Now we will fry the chicken. So you just have to wait until it's like golden brown. In medium to high heat actually. For me, it's very important that we cook the chicken very well, because later when we mix it with the sauce, it will just be like a quick mix. So you have to cook properly at this stage. Now we're done frying all the chicken breast. So after this, you have to set it aside while we make the sweet and sour sauce. Looking good and nice and crispy. Now you put on the onions, garlic, and the ginger. Just a little bit of ginger to taste, or you can also omit ginger if you don't like ginger. and everything. Now the tomato. So you wait until the onion is transparent. You add the rest of the ingredients. It's smelling so good. So you can also use a wok. It's better. So now you can add all the remaining ingredients. The carrot, the pineapple. Look at the medley of beautiful colors. This is perfect for like nice warm summer days. Or even in winter. Now it's winter and we like to eat it. So at this time you can add tomato paste, a little bit only, a little bit of ketchup. That's the secret of my grandma. Mix it a bit. You add vinegar and brown sugar. By the way, it really depends on your preference. If you like it more sweet than sour, you can add more brown sugar. And if you want it more sour, you just add more vinegar. Get it right. Okay. From the canned pineapple, you have juice in there. You use the juice and just pour it like that. So nothing is wasted. This is looking good. So if you want it more saucy, you add more. I like it more saucy. Okay, then you just let it boil. You can add a bit of bouillon, the chicken bouillon to taste. Pepper. And let it boil for a moment. At this point, you can also try to taste it. It's perfect already. Maybe a little bit of ketchup to taste and a little bit of salt. So you just wait a bit when the carrots are a little bit cooked, like al dente. Do not overcook carrots because it won't taste good. So maybe like 4 minutes or so. Let it boil for 4 minutes, and then the sauce is ready. Then you can add it to the chicken, or you can add the chicken on it. Very nice. Now you can add your chicken. Just pour on the chicken there. And do a quick toss or quick mix. Just to coat the chicken breast with the sauce. Look at that. It's looking good. And smells even better, or tastes even better. So dinner is served.
Taste it.
Wow. You want to try it?